Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. As you have seen in the title, today we'll be doing fresh installation of Windows 10 using a USB pen drive. And come, let's see the procedure. Okay guys, we need to open this website www.microsoft.com/english in I'll give you the link in the description for this website, and you need to download this Windows 10 installation media tool. As you can see, I've already downloaded it. It's in the downloads. I'll open it and complete the setup. By the time it installs, you need to insert the USB flash drive on which you want to install the Windows 10 ISO file. I have connected my USB flash drive to the PC, and it takes time to load. It depends on the internet connection and the specs of your PC. You need to accept this terms and conditions. And here guys, this is the most important step. You need to select create installation media, which is USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. You need to select the second option here and press the next button, and it will ask you to check this box, use the recommended options for this PC since we are upgrading the another PC. So I'll uncheck this option, and English Windows 10 64-bit, and click on next. And here it will ask choose which media to use. So I'll use my USB flash drive, and here it is showing the HP drive E. So check according to your company's name on the USB drive, and since mine is HP, I'll choose this option and click on next. And now it will start the installation process, and now it's gonna take time. So guys, after downloading the ISO file, it will verify and install it in the USB drive.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, finally your USB flash drive is ready, and now we need to remove it from our PC and connect it to the PC in which we need to install the Windows 10. Now we need to connect this USB drive and try to get into the boot manager of our PC. In my case, I need to press the F12 function key. Now I have to boot into USB storage device. Hit enter. Press any key to, I'll hit the spacebar. Now you need to select your language and the keyboard layout and hit next, and hit the install now button. We'll start the setup. Depending upon your specs of the PC, it might take time. Okay guys, we need to accept and hit next again. So from here it's the typical Windows installation type, and this is the main step guys. First option is upgrade, install Windows 10 and keep file settings and application. Will just install the Windows 10 version, it will not erase the drive C. So but we need to select second option because it has already Windows 10 installed in it. And the second custom install is it will wipe everything and it will install the fresh Windows image. And from here we need to select the partition guys. I am selecting the drive 0 partition 4, in which the Windows is installed. It will erase the previous version of the Windows and install the new version and hit next. If the partition you have chosen files contains previous Windows installation, in this case we need to erase it, and but you won't be able to use your previous version. Hit OK. And now it will start the installation process, and it will depend on the specs of the PC and the read write speed of the USB drive, and let's be patient and see.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, it has finished the installation now, and the important step here is as soon as it finishes the setup we need to remove the USB, or else it will get into the boot loop and it will again start the setup and it will keep repeating itself. So make sure to remove the USB pen drive when it's completely finished. It will show restarting PC and give you 5 seconds, and at that point of time you need to remove the USB drive. Okay, you need to remove the USB drive now and let it to restart. And now pretty much I think we have done the setup. Now we need to directly boot into the Windows 10. Let's see.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Okay guys,
Use your
again the
voice
same
or the
Cortana.
keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet.
It's better if it stays quiet. Okay, now it's the typical Windows 10 setup we need to do. I think from here pretty much everyone knows the setup. Let us select our region. English India. Yes. Skip. And you need to connect to a network. I don't have a network. Let's enter it. Continue with limited setup. Name, let me keep home. Okay, finally we have installed the Windows 10 guys, and as you can see 21H1, the latest version of Windows 10 has been installed.